Pomegranates have been used for years for their health benefits. Modern science has found that pomegranates can help protect your heart and may even prevent cancer. A pomegranate is a sweet, tart fruit with thick, red skin. While the skin is not edible, it holds hundreds of juicy seeds that you can eat plain or sprinkle on salads, oatmeal, hummus, and other dishes. Bottled pomegranate juice is also an easy way to enjoy some of the health benefits of this delicious fruit. Health benefits: pomegranates can have up to 3 times more antioxidants than green tea or red wine. Antioxidants protect cells from damage, prevent diseases, such as cancer, and reduce inflammation and the effects of aging. Additionally, other health benefits of pomegranates include the following. Heart health studies have suggested that pomegranates can protect the heart in many ways, including lowering blood pressure and reducing blood sugar levels. Atherosclerosis, buildup of cholesterol and fats in the arteries, is a common cause of heart disease. Pomegranate juice may help reduce low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, bad cholesterol, that clogs arteries. It can also increase high-density lipoprotein cholesterol, good cholesterol, which lowers the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Diabetes control: initial studies have revealed that people with type 2 diabetes who began to drink pomegranate juice showed an improvement in insulin resistance. Pomegranates can also help people without diabetes maintain a healthy weight. Lowering risk of cancer: pomegranates are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, both of which are known to prevent free radicals from damaging your cells. In some studies, pomegranates show potential to be effective in preventing prostate, breast, lung, and colon cancers. Additionally, preclinical studies on animals have shown that eating pomegranate can inhibit the growth of lung, skin, colon, and prostate tumors. More research is needed to understand the effects on humans.